So we have all different colors, as you can see from the bag right here. So I'm just going to show you guys how them look, the material, and how strong they are. So this one right here is one of the red one, and this is how them basically look. As you can see guys from the trim right here, you know that this will pass your ankle, and the material of this guys feel really great. As you can see guys, this is the socks right here, fit me perfectly. It really warm and comfortable. So if you want something that's warm up your feet while giving that great warm feelings, this is the socks right here, and I love in this, and it fit perfectly, as you can see right there, bottom section, and it go right up past my ankle up to my feet right there, as you can see, and it fit perfectly fine. Yeah, so I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, peace out.